The COMFEE stainless steel electric kettle is a reliable and efficient product that offers convenience and functionality to users. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing, I can confidently say that this kettle is a great addition to any kitchen. One of the standout features of this product is its programmable functionality. The ability to program the kettle allows users to set specific temperature and heating times, ensuring that their desired beverage is brewed to perfection. Whether you prefer a hot cup of tea, a soothing cup of coffee, or even a warm bowl of instant noodles, this kettle has got you covered. The stainless steel design of the COMFEE electric kettle not only gives it a sleek and professional appearance, but also guarantees durability and long-lasting performance. The high-quality stainless steel material ensures that the kettle is resistant to rust corrosion and stains, making it a reliable companion in your kitchen for years to come. With package.